Hello dear students, let's see this caselet. It says a chain of departmental stores has outlets in Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Kolkata. The sales are categorized by its three departments: apparel, electronics and home decor. So these are the three departments. An accountant has been asked to prepare a summary of the 2018 and 2019 sales amounts for an internal report. He has collected or collated partial information and prepared the following table. So this is table he prepared. Definitely some values are missing here. Now few conditions are there. Definitely those conditions will help us to fill that table. Now questions are like, in home decor department of which cities were the sales amounts the highest in 2018 and 19 respectively? What was the increase in sales amount in crores in the apparel department of Mumbai from 2018-19, right? Apparel Mumbai, then home decor department, right? So basically when we find out these values, our all questions will get solved, right? Like was the total sales amount in 2019 for the chain of department, or total sales भी निकालना है हमको. Let's start with the conditions, right? I have created a table. Now we'll see how to fill table. First condition, the sales amounts in the apparel departments were the same for Delhi and Kolkata in 2018. Apparel department में दिल्ली में, कोलकाता में 2018 में it says sales is same. So we represent it with the help of A and A. Right? Now second condition, the sales amounts in the apparel departments were the same for Mumbai and Bengaluru in 2018. Right, again in 2018 apparel department for Mumbai and Bengaluru is same, so we'll consider this as B. So this will also be B. Now again some information is given. This sales amount matches the sales amount in the apparel department for Delhi in 2019. Apparel Delhi 2019, which will also be B. Right, now the third condition says the sales amounts in the home decor departments were the same for Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018. Home decor Mumbai Kolkata 2018. Home decor Mumbai and Kolkata in 2018 are same. So if this is C, this should also be C. Fourth condition, the sum of the sales amounts of four electronics departments increased by the same amount as the sum of the sales amount of four apparel departments from 2018 to 19. Right, what it says from 2018 to 19 kya? The sum of the sales amount of four electronics department. Right, four electronics department means talking about Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru and Kolkata, increased by the same amount as the sum of the sales amounts of four apparel department. Right, तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिपार्टमेंट की मेरे पास सारी डेटा है. राइट, तो इसकी सेल्स क्या हो गई? तो total in 2018 if we calculated 78 plus 82 plus 90 plus 80 comes out to be 330. Similarly in 2019 98 plus 102 plus 70 plus 100 comes out to be 340. Increase is 40 crore. The sum of sales amount of four electron increased by same amount, right, as four apparel departments. तो सेम है किसका? सेम इन apparel department. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक का सेम है, उतना ही इंक्रीज हुआ है. तो apparel department में भी 40 करोड़ का ही इंक्रीज होगा. राइट, फ्रॉम 2018 टू 2019. तो अगर 2018 का मैं ऐड करूं तो इट विल बी A प्लस B, अगेन प्लस B फॉर बेंगलुरु प्लस A फॉर कोलकाता. राइट, अब इक्वल करना है हमको 2019 का, तो प्लस कितना डिफरेंस है? डिफरेंस इज सेम फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर विच इज 40। तो ये हमने यहाँ पे +40 किया, विच इज इक्वल टू 2019 का B प्लस D plus E and plus 54. B plus D plus E and plus 54. Right? From here we will get 2A plus B is equal to 14 plus D plus E. Now the next condition is the total sales amounts of the 4 home decor departments increased by rupees 70 crores from 2018 to 2019. होम डेकोर की बात हो रही है, होम डेकोर की टोटल सेल्स फ्रॉम 2018 से 2019 it increased by 70 crores. So we can equate that. तो home decor what all values we have? 2019 की values हैं 18 का F plus C plus G plus C, right? F plus C plus G plus C plus what is the difference? 70. So plus 70 is equal to 19 ka 100 plus 72 plus 80 plus 54 comes out to be 306. Next condition, the sales amounts in the home decor departments of Delhi and Bengaluru each increased by rupees 20 crores from 2018 to 2019. Home decor Delhi and Bengaluru is increased by 20 crore. So home decor Delhi and Bengaluru, right? 18 से 19 दोनों में 20 करोड़ का इंक्रीज हुआ, राइट? तो होम डेकोर दिल्ली 2019 में वी ऑलरेडी नो इट्स 100, तो 2018 में क्या होगा? इट्स 80. बेंगलुरु in 2019 we already know it's 80, so in 2018 it will be 60. So we'll get the value of F and G. Right, if we put here in this condition we will get the value of C. So 2C is equal to 96 and from here we'll get the value of C to be 48. Now let's see the next condition. The sales amounts in the apparel departments of Delhi and Bengaluru each increased by the same amount in 2019 from 2018. Apparel department from of Delhi and Bengaluru increased by the same amount in 2019 from 2018, right? तो apparel 2019 से 2018, right? Delhi and Bengaluru, तो Delhi increased by same amount means B minus A. Bengaluru, if we represent in 2019 if it is E, so E minus B, right? So B minus A which is equal to E minus B. From here we will get 2B is equal to A plus E. Now next condition. So some extra conditions are given. The sales amount in the apparel departments of Mumbai and Kolkata. Apparel Mumbai Kolkata also increased by the same amount in 19 from 18. Mumbai apparel Mumbai सेम अमाउंट, राइट? तो मुंबई का apparel, तो if we consider if this is a D, so D minus B and Mumbai and Kolkata. So Kolkata is 54 minus A. D minus B which is equal to 54 minus A. ठीक है, तो we got this equation, right? Now the last condition says the sales amounts in the apparel departments of Delhi, Kolkata and Bengaluru in 2019 followed an arithmetic progression. Right, talking about apparels, Delhi, Kolkata, Bengaluru in 2019. So apparels, Delhi means B, Kolkata means 54 and Bengaluru means 50. Sorry, Bengaluru means E. We don't know the value as of now. So it will be B 54 and E is in AP. So 54 minus B is equal to E minus 54. So E plus B is equal to 108. This is an other equation. So we got the few equations, we are done with the conditions. Now we need to find these variables, right, actual value, and then will our all the questions will get solved, right? If we took first and it's in A, B, D, E, right? And this is in D and B. So from here we'll get the value of D minus B, right? So we can put 54 minus A in that place. So first and third, from here we will get E is equal to 3A minus 68 in terms of A, right? If we put E's value in second and third, right, we will get two equations in A and B. From here we will get the value of A to be 42 and B to be 50, right? And then again we'll put the value of A here, we will get E to be 58. If we put the value of A and B here, we will get the value of D to be 62. So we represent all these values here, right? A 42, so wherever A is there, we have to represent it 42 here. Okay. Then B to be 50, so this will be 50. Again, this is B, so this should be 50. This should be 50, right? C, we already know it's 48, so that already is 48. Right, what about D is 62, where it is? So D is 62. E is 58, where it is? E is 58. F we already got, G we already got. So that's it. Right, now we'll see the questions one by one. In home decor departments of which cities were the sales amounts the highest in 2018 and 2019 respectively? Home decor, we need to compare cities where 2000 sales amount highest, 2018 में कहाँ highest है और 2019 में कहाँ highest. होम डेकोर अगर 2018 की बात करेंगे तो इट्स 80, 48, 60 एंड 48. तो कहाँ हाईएस्ट है? व्हाट हाईएस्ट इज 80 एंड विच इज फॉर दिल्ली. ठीक है. सिमिलरली फॉर 2019 100, 72, 80, 54. कहाँ हाईएस्ट है? 100 एंड विच इज अगेन दिल्ली. So correct answer option is this one, Delhi and Delhi. Question number 2. What was the increase in sales amount in crore rupees in the apparel department of Mumbai from 2018 to 2019? Increase in sale amount apparel Mumbai. Apparel Mumbai from 2018 50 से 62. So 50 से 62 means 12 crore. So answer will be this. Now among all the 12 departments, that is the 3 departments in each of the 4 cities, what was the maximum percentage increase in sales amount from 18 to 19? So सब जगह मेरे को check करना है maximum increase sales amount में कहाँ है and what was that percentage. ठीक है. एंड इट सेज मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज इंक्रीज कहाँ हुआ है, सारी जगह मेरे को देखना है फ्रॉम 18 to 19 इन ऑल द 4 डिपार्टमेंट. राइट नाउ तो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट अपैरल्स दिल्ली तो 42 से 50, 42 से 50. If we talk about increase, it is 8. 8 is what percentage of 42? Right, 8 is what percentage of 42? So we can say 20%. 20% से थोड़ा सा कम. Let's see. Mumbai apparels 50 से 62. 12 is what percentage of 50? तो first we'll go through all these values. जो ज़्यादा close रहेगा और जो ज़्यादा बड़ा रहेगा we'll talk about that. 12 upon 50, then 50 to 58, 8 upon 50, right? तो 8 upon 50 तो definitely कम percentage होगा comparatively to 8 upon 42. तो this तो नहीं होगा, right? Then 42 से 54, 12 upon 42, which is also not possible. देन 78 से 98, 20 का इंक्रीज है, 20 ऑफ 78 तो 25% से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा। अगेन 82 से 102, तो डिफरेंस ऑफ 20, 20 अपॉन 82, अगर 20 अपॉन 80 होता तो 25% होता, तो 25% से ये थोड़ा सा कम है, तो डेफिनेटली ये तो नहीं होगा। अभी सबसे ज़्यादा मेरा परसेंटेज अराउंड यहाँ पे है। देन 90 से 70, तो ये तो कम हो रहा है। 80 से 100, 20, 20 बाई 80 तो एग्जैक्ट 25%। नाउ विल चेक फॉर होम डेकोर। 80 से 100, 20, 20 बाई 80, 1 बाई 4, 25%। 48 से 72, 48 से 72 डिफरेंस इज 24, 24 बाई 48, 50%। अभी सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पे है, विच इज़ 50%। लेट्स चेक who nears it, right? Then 60 to 80, 20 by 60, 1 by third, 33.33%. Now 48 से 54, again 6 by 48, 1 by 6, 16.67%. The highest is here, which is 50%. So correct answer option is this. Question number 4. What was the total sales amount in crore rupees in 2019 for the chain of departmental stores? 2019 total sales, right? So 2019, if we add these values, 50, 98, 100 will comes out to be 248. Then 62, 102, 72, 236, 58, 70, 80, 208, 54, 100, 54, 208. If we add all these, 200 4 times 800, right? Then 48 and 36, 84, 84 or 16, 94, 100, right? So it comes out to be 800 plus 100, 900. So correct answer option is this, right? So we are done with this caselet.